Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Had a really busy day today. It's Sunday. See if you can see this. Sunday, 3rd of July. What I'm going to be doing is I've just been weeding here. See over there. You can get a really good weed, and then just deadheading some foxgloves. And these were blown down in the wind, but these are beautiful delphiniums that I had to cut down. And then sorting out this, which I'm pleased with, re-edging my lawn there and down there. But what I'm going to be doing then is just showing you how I go about deadheading my penstemons. Here are my penstemons. This is what I like to use. These are really great, nice and sharp. What you want to do is anything, this is just starting to go over here, just want to cut this back like that. But anything that's in the middle here, just cut anything like that off, because that is not going to flower. You see here, that one there, and we have one over there as well. So just show you with this one at the back here. And we have these here. What you want to do is, when you see the stem here, cut it down like so. So the first leaf node there, this will send out loads of new side shoots there. Carry on flowering really, really well. What we have here, keep deadheading all these little, they finish flowering. So just want to keep nipping those back. We have a few at the back here, one here as well. So we have two here. These are, plus you want to keep clearing these off. These are the spent flowers. I'm going to cut this one back here, so you don't want to set seed. So yeah, you can see how it flowers there. Starts off and flowers right to the top, and these are just getting towards the end there. So I'm going to go in here again. See, that's a little flower pod there. It's just starting to form. So yeah, they start at the bottom and they just gradually work their way up. You can see here, I'm going to plenty more flowers to come. This one, just take this one back and do that. And then that's basically it. How to deadhead your penstemons. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.